This is NYU Shanghai Library's homepage.
This tab gives you the option to search within a database. We subscribe to more than 1,400 databases, and the first step is to choose one, for instance, JSTOR. Once you're in the database, you can enter search terms to find sources like journal articles, book chapters, videos, and more. Clicking on the tab brings you to the Databases page, which has been updated for the spring 2025 semester. Before introducing the updated page, let's have a quick look at the old page. This section of the page listed the general and multidisciplinary databases, like EDS, ProQuest, and JSTOR. Subject categories were listed here, linking to the most relevant databases for a given subject. This section identified databases providing particular types of content, like audio, video, images, and data. This button linked out to an A to Z list of all the databases, and with this search box you could search for a specific database name. Now let's have a look at the new page. A comparison with the old page can help in getting oriented to the new one. While the old page had a button linking out to the A to Z list, in the new design, the A to Z list is present on the same page. The search box for entering a database name shows up here on the new page. The general and multidisciplinary databases are now listed here. Where the subject categories were listed out on the old page, on the new page they're found in the Subject drop-down menu. Same for the databases categorized by content type. On the new page, the categories display in this drop-down list. Let's take a closer look at the new page and how to use it. Here are a few tips for choosing a database. Sometimes you already know the name of the database you want to use, in which case you can find it in the alphabetical list or type it into the search box. A general and multidisciplinary database can be a good place to start for any topic. These databases are featured, but you can see a longer list here. To identify databases relevant to a specific subject, use this drop-down. There are more than 70 subjects in this list. Use this drop-down to identify databases that provide particular types of content, for example, audio, data, images, or video. This drop-down provides the option of choosing databases with content from particular publishers. You can also use features in combination. For instance, you can select a subject along with a content type, in this case to identify databases that provide historical video. Or you can choose a content type and enter a keyword here, in this case to identify databases providing poetry audio files.